Discover peak convenience at Latitude Champaign, a remarkable student home where you can hit the books, make lifelong friends, and explore the vibrant city effortlessly. Your choice of these enchanting 1 and 4 bedroom apartments, lavish studios, and spacious en-suites unlocks dreamy snoozes on the memory foam queen-size beds, breezy laundry with a full-sized in-unit washer and dryer, and abundant storage with California-style closets. When high-speed Wi-Fi and water are included in your rent, there are no extra bills to worry about. Step into sparkling fitness with laps in the resort-style swimming pool, or smash intense workouts at the fitness centre. Chill with friends at the co-collective lounges with free printing for those unexpected assignments. When University of Illinois Urbana and Parkland College are a short drive away, you can grab breakfast and still reach class on time. When University and 6th WB or University and Wright bus stops, only a couple minutes away. Adventures around the city are super simple. Elevate student life today and book your spot at Latitude Champaign with amberstudent.com.